Game plan. Record me.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video. I'm having someone else edit it for me. It's already recording. So I'm just getting a bunch of random footage together and seeing what you can do with it. What are you doing? I got an editor. So all I have to do is record. Game plan. Record me. No, down, not horizontal. Thank you. Game plan. Get to school. Get the plate thing, the adapter thingy that took me like a half hour to make. Get some zip ties. I think I got some under my ass. That's just a crumb. No, I think I got rid of those zip ties. Get the zip ties. Wait for this car. Zip ties. Attach it to the trumpet. Get the servos. Get the coating. Then we got a game plan. Stop looking at your phone! We're done. You gotta get the face too. We'll just take it with us.
Good sound.
You gotta take the test. Yeah. So grab me after.
Oh, Where does this go? I'm pissed. I don't have Wi-Fi. Between the I have Wi-Fi between the hours of 10 and 8, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So this video is probably not going to be out for a while. I don't have the computer because mother is finishing her class, which she's been procrastinating. I don't know why. It's been rough. I don't know. The first party problems you all already know. I'm not sure if this is going to even work. Is this going to even work? No, it's not. Gotta cut this bitch in half. Why do we need this to work? Why did I have it? This is made automatic trumpet, you know? All it takes is all you need are some balloons, an Arduino kit, basic servo knowledge, Goodwill trumpet, $25, you know? Ugh. Man, I'm a little pissy. Why is this not staying? Why are you not staying? Okay. motivation to make videos anymore. TBH. I just might post a test run of this and that's about it. I was about to say press the button, but I have the button over here. Look at this. I was running out of air. Welcome to Ghetto Rig. Welcome to Wisconsin! I need the fucking I need something to power the Arduino. Oh, it's beautiful, ain't it? At our school, we have 150 PSI blasting through our walls. Dangerous as hell, but you know. I don't know what to unplug. What are you plugged into? Nothing. What is this wire guy plugged into? The blue guy's just a light, right? The blue guys are plugged into nothing. Kick. I should really have like an on or off switch to this. We'll just put you there. Hook you up when you're ready. How about now? Yeah, that's way more powerful. Yeah, let's see if it works though. Before let's see if we need to add more air or not. I miss my old cameraman. Well, you have to go get hitched. We need more air! Look at the thing. What am I even doing? I'm home. Yes. Let's see if this is good. Yes! We're a safe, family-friendly channel. I swear. Dude, consider subscribing, man. I go to college. I need money. Oh, freak. What if I do this? Okay, let's hook up the servo. Cameraman, come here. Press. I'm gonna need you to like hold this over here. Just hold it. Yes, like that. Yeah. Look at the buttons. This works a lot better than the trombone. Okay, goodbye! Like and subscribe. Look at the... He's got a little more! He's got boomers! Oh yeah, good luck, new editor. I'm not editing this, so... take it at your own discretion, man. Why you gotta laugh at me?